Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Vlogmas Day number 4. Hello, beautiful people. Woo-hoo. Hi, this is Juanita living life unapologetically design. Listen, I'm trying to come up with different ways to do the intro. All right, so we're going to start on part 2 of the Christmas decor. I am going to keep it light and simple this year. So I'm going to only do certain areas in the house, like the mantles, maybe a little tablescape, and the coffee area. Just put a little things there, and then the entryway, I'm gonna put something there. Maybe, not sure, but yeah. So we're gonna start right now doing this. This I didn't bring out earlier. I could have Thanksgiving, could have put it on the table, but I didn't want to. So this right here, my friends, is my own wreath. Let me move back a little bit. Now let me tell you how I made it. This material here is from Walmart. All right, the burlap is from Walmart. You can crunch it up, smooch it up like that, or you can spread it out like that. All depends on how you want it. But mine is not going to be hanging up. It's going to be laying down on the table. Can y'all see that? Let's get this. Let me move this out the way. This don't belong on there. All right, so other way how I started doing something else, y'all. This is a wire hanger. If y'all know the movie, then you know. Okay, what I did was, you can't find a lot of wire hangers anymore. They're gone. They got rid of them. But if you do, check your closet. And if you find a wire hanger, save it. Save it. Because only thing you have to do is unravel the wire hanger. And then at the end right here, you just twist it around, okay? So that's how I came with this. You can see I just took one in and I pushed it in around little holes around here. If you can see when I spread it, you can see that. Simple, all right? Simple. So let me move this back, something simple. You can turn it out. If you want it up, you can turn it up like that, or you can lay it down flat like that. Either way how it floats your boat. Okay, so what we're doing now, we are sprucing it up a little bit. This is going to be on the table. We're going to spruce this up a little bit. As you can see, I have some picks, some berry picks that I got from I think this is from Walmart. So I'm going to insert these just like that. Also, we're going with black, red, and white, with some red and some gold, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these and I'm going to I have some red ones somewhere. I don't know what I did with them, so let me incorporate these here. All right, I do have some reddish ones, brown reddish ones as well. I just gotta find those. So I got these from the dollar store. Little clips, simple. You can use them for the fall, or you can use them like I'm using them right now. You can just take it. That's what the pack looks like. And just let me make sure I got my clip. Maybe because I had it upside down, y'all. Right? So I'm gonna continue going around something simple. Not going crazy, but just simple. This is gonna be on my table, as you can see. And yeah, let's go for this. All right, let's continue with this. Beautiful people. I had to jump on here really quickly just to share this part right here. I'm trying to decide if I wanted to lay it down, and then I decided I wanted to have it standing up. And then also I put the little sticks or picks in there, little golden picks there on the side. And honestly, after looking at it, I did not want it to look like a forest. So I decided to remove those things right there on the right. I just decided to move those because it wasn't going with what I wanted. So I'm just fluffing it. What you got to do is put it to your desired look, how you want it to go, and go from there, right? Now let's continue.